All right, ladies and gents, we got this beautiful Defender V8 right here. This has the full urban automotive WideTrack kit on there, and it has several things painted and wrapped. So I'm gonna go over the car and show you guys, because I know you guys have been waiting for this build. Defenders are quite awesome. We do a lot more Range Rovers, but this is really good to see. We'll start with the front here. We got this front spoiler. We got this front light kit. We also painted several things in the front gloss black to get that nicer, larger appearance. We added the hood vents from Urban right here. These are a little bit nicer. You guys know the old Defenders had that metal mesh here. The new Defenders have this plastic, really cheap looking thing. So this makes it look a lot better and aggressive. And obviously you got that tuxedo look going. We got the roof LEDs over there. That's custom. You have to seal that really nice, glue it so it doesn't fly off, doesn't leak in the car. We have a button for that inside. And then we have these beautiful flares right here that look like glass because they were painted in-house at RDB. This is also wrapped right here. As you can see, it's like a matte gray finish. So overall, we went with this gloss black, matte gray look on this vehicle. We have the Urban wheels with really awesome Cooper tires that you don't see often. Rugged looking without all that crazy extra noise. That's why we went with this, and it fills it up so nice. This is in low mode, so you could raise the car up for you off-roaders. We got the Urban side panels right there. We got the rock climbers on the bottom that are very functional, of course. More flares in the back. We added these British vinyl stickers right here for another cool appearance. This goes with that two-tone look. And then lastly, we got the roof spoiler in the back. This thing went from a bone stock Defender to this really cool looking, unique, luxurious, off-roading capable SUV. You guys have seen this on the channel already. This is that crazy Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Beautiful orange accents everywhere. We are finishing it up. Luis over here is putting on fender liners, the last pieces of the puzzle. We're gonna throw the wheels back on, and then this car is gonna go all the way to Minnesota. So, I mean, this is one of the prettiest Rolls-Royce front ends ever made aftermarket. The Mansory kit is truly amazing. The 1060 kit is also great. We offer all of these for you guys. So whether you need any of the brands for any of these cars, contact us. This one was painted all in-house, and then it was also clear broad in-house as well. So the car never has to go to some local body shop or wrap shop. It all gets done under one roof. I'm gonna give this as a gift to Javier one day.
He wants it.
Huh?
Oh, so they give it to you already?
What, you want it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, 1 year. No pay.
1 year, no pay. He's gonna live in it. He's not gonna even pay rent. He's gonna live in the site. Yeah.
You can make payments every month if you want.
Yeah. Payments. Where are you gonna live?
Why do you keep breaking?
Who's in there? What the f? How did that work? I almost broke my hand.
How did you break right now then? All right, we have this graveyard Porsche behind me right here. You don't see this often. This is a beautiful Porsche that was in a factory condition, and it has a lot of bodywork going on. And as you can see, it doesn't look very pretty, but we're gonna briefly explain to you what's going on. The story behind this car is it belongs to actually a friend of mine. He bought the car and wanted to do this RSR type wide body kit on it, not RWV, RSR they call it. And he got this body kit that didn't fit very well at all. So we got to work on it. We did a lot of stuff. As you can see in the back end, it's all primered. As you can see, it is insanely wide. This is one of the widest wide body cars I've ever seen. The front fenders were having massive issues. And as you can see, this is all fiberglass, all beat up, broken up, whatever. It's even got some rust. So all this stuff we're gonna revisit and fix and get this car done. So we had done the suspension on it too, that's why it sits low. We have the wheels in our warehouse sitting there. We're gonna have to do the whole interior brand new. This is a 6-speed manual Porsche, so that's really, really awesome. The engine was in pretty good condition. So got a lot of work to do. It's gonna be a fun one. I'm excited about these kind of projects more so than the, you know, all the regular Rolls-Royce putting wheels on them, whatever. This is true craftsmanship. It's a lot of fun. A lot of passion goes into these things, so I hope you guys like it. You guys will see some updates in the near future.
BMW M2. This car was in here for a pretty big wreck. Right side complete. The crazy thing about this car is you guys can see how nice the paint matches. The color is very, very hard to match on this car without being noticeable. This is perfection. You guys can see how nice the color matches. Also, the right complete panel is done. Everything looks good on the car. Suspension is already done as well. Did a lot of suspension work. This car is just about ready to go. We are waiting for 2 wheels, and that's it. We're gonna detail it, wrap it up. Customer will be happy. You can't even tell that this thing was in an accident. The customer hasn't even enjoyed this car yet. This car's brand new. As soon as he got it, he wrecked it, unfortunately. But now, when it's all said and done, he can finally enjoy it.
Quiere que termine los dientes. A la gran, ya estás como yo. What happened?
Huh? I don't know.
Tell me. Don't tell me that's true what they tell me already. I know what happened.
I got in a big fight.
And your kid beat you up.
No.
Your wife. Say, pa. ¡Madre puta! Le voló el hocico. Cásate con una salvadoreña. Cásate con una salvadorian. It's better. Don't fight.
Okay, I gotta take this car out. This guy's coming. We gotta drive it.
Pobrecito. Now, guys, this guy needs a new hair and new dents. Dental cares. Pobrecito.
Come on, Moses, let's talk to you. Let's talk about it. Talk about it. All right, let's go. Come on this way. Make it to the right. Take the left. Keep the right. All right, so we have a Lamborghini Urus here. We have a Lamborghini Urus here. John's fat. We have a Lamborghini Urus here for service. We just finished this thing. Just needed a basic oil change, filter, top off fluids, tire pressure check, and reset. That's it. We're done with this one. They're on the way to pick it up. So yeah, come see us if you guys need URUS services too. We do everything. And we service this guy too.
This box you see in front of you, literally every single piece is carbon fiber, inside and out. Even the hinges are carbon fiber. Even the locks are carbon fiber. The world is one of one, and it's all telling the story of carbon fiber and us.
This thing is basically an idea I had for 4 years, using aerospace engineers in order to build this thing, but it was assembled in my apartment.
We love insane stuff, and this is carbon fiber plus insanity, so it's amazing.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.